here at the F-16 TCG in Ogden, Utah, and one of the things that we're showing off here is our ARTS test stand capabilities. In Duotech's over 30 years of electronics repair time, we have developed an extensive set of repair capabilities that are now made available to our customers in the form of the Automated Reconfigurable Test Emulation System, or the ARTS. Several things that make the ARTS a really great thing for our customers is that it has a really user-intuitive software system. It stores the data that results of the tests in a centralized database that allow for integration with other systems, as well as for retrieval of the results at a later date. Another great thing is its capability to expand and grow with your company. Looking here at ARTS, I can pull up our tests that are available in the system. I can easily browse them using the knob or with my touchscreen controller. When I bring these tests up, I have the capability to look at all the steps that are in that test. I can run single steps, I can run whole entire tests, or I can run sections of a test as necessary to allow for the operator to do any diagnostics that they may want to do. Once you've picked a test and you've decided how much of that test you're going to run, as we've done here, we're going to run the whole test. I just simply press the play button and begin the test. It allows me to insert any operator information or serial number items that will be logged in the test report as the system runs. The indicators show the test running, and the results of the test are displayed on the screen. If operator input is required, it will indicate that to the user and allow them to follow the instructions and proceed as necessary. When the test is done, or when you want to test another item, it's as simple as removing the cables and putting it on a different system. The cables are ID'd, so the operator is able to read the ID chip out of the cable to immediately select the test, not having to even browse the menus. When you start with the core system, it allows you to test a huge number of items already, as it is. But it has the capability to grow. If you desire later on to add more test capabilities, you don't need to add a whole other system to it. All we simply do is insert into the backing system new connectors that are left room for growth, so that you can then provide different interfaces for the particular system that you now need to be able to test. And it's as easy as that.
So what do we got down here?
So we're showing here the capability of the system to integrate with either commercial off-the-shelf equipment, either items that you need to procure for this test system, or test assets that you may already have that can be used for the system, or we can provide customized solutions for instrumentation for things that either you don't want the whole off-the-shelf solution for, or if you have a particular requirement for it.
Outstanding. So this would be a total in case of test stand equipment?
This is one example of how the equipment can be laid out. Being standard rack mount systems, they can be laid out in any of a number of arrangements, from wheeled portable parts to workbench style things to standalone racks.
Outstanding. So what are these items right here? This
is showing some examples of the test stand next to a bench that provides cooling for systems that would need that. These cooling plates are easily changeable to be adapting later on, but this allows airflow to come through, and I can bring my cables over to these units, and I can have these stations set up and be able to quickly test multiple units together. These particular items are from the F-16 radar system, air data computer, combined interrogator, part of the IFF friend and foe identification system that the F-16 uses. Just some of the many items that can be tested with the ARTS.